When we talk about the aged or the senior citizens, now India is the second largest population of 60 plus years in the world after China with 100 million plus population. Now the majority of the senior citizens live in the rural areas and 1/3 of the senior citizens are below poverty line. So it becomes important to look up to their welfare in the society. Now, when we talk about the policies regarding the elderly people, the first one we have is the National Policy on Older Persons, that is NPOP. Now, the Government of India launched NPOP during the International Year of the Older Persons in 1999. Now, under this 22 interministerial committees as well as state interdepartmental committees and National Council for Older Persons were constituted. Now in 2010, government constituted a committee to review this policy in 4 major areas. That is on the issues about the oldest old. That was the first issue. The second one was the safety and security. The third one was the healthcare. And the fourth one was to look with regard to the gender perspectives. Now the draft for the national policy for senior citizens was announced in the year 2011 with some of the major recommendations, which includes creation of a separate department for the senior citizens. It also recommended for the creation of the National Commission for Senior Citizens. It also recommended to increase the role of the National Council for Senior Citizens to monitor the policy implementation processes. It also increases the funds for the senior citizens and also increase in the pension amount of the senior citizens. Now it also talks about the increase in the healthcare and public-private partnership and many more. Now this draft also suggested to replace the term older persons with the senior citizens. Now the next one we have is the integrated program for senior citizens. Now various programs and schemes are being run by various ministries or departments by the Government of India for the welfare of senior citizens. Now this scheme, that is the integrated program for senior citizen, was earlier known as the integrated program for older persons. It was previously named as this, but it was renamed as integrated program for senior citizens. Now this program is being run under the administrative control of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Now under this scheme, grant in aid are given for the running as well as the maintenance of the senior citizens homes which is also known as the old age homes to the implementing agencies such as the state government or the union territories or the PRI, that is the Panchayati Raj institutions, or the local bodies. So a grant in aid is given to these institutions for the maintenance or for the construction of the old age home. Now the next we have is the Rashtriya Vayoshri Yojana. Now the objective of this scheme is to provide senior citizens belonging to the BPL category and also from the persons or the senior citizens suffering from the age related disabilities. Now the aim is to provide the beneficiary under this with the physical aid as well as the assistant living devices which can restore normalcy in their bodily function. Now this scheme was launched in the year 2017 and it is under the administrative control of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Now under this scheme, the senior citizens are provided with walkers, with sticks. Now they are also provided with crutches or the hearing aids and also the wheelchairs along with other